Hey folks, William here, LRB Adventures. We have ventured off to Disney's Yacht Club Resort this morning where we're going to be having breakfast at the Ellen Compass inside of the Yacht Club, of course, which sits right beside its sister resort, the Disney's Beach Club Resort, and right across the lake, Crescent Lake that is, to Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Plenty of things to see and do here, but let's go on inside.
I was wishing you'd come visit me again. You did. Thank you.
So we have been seated at Ellen Compass, our first time having breakfast. This was suggested to us by a dear friend, Alicia, to make sure we did a shout out for her. I know she's watching, so we just wanted to throw that out there. Carla told you that would take place. So with that being said, we've been seated, we've done our order. Now the neat thing about this dining experience is you have which is a basically a la carte menu to where you have different items and breakfasts that are placed on it, which I'm going to put in here for you. Then you also have a buffet. Now a buffet is a little bit separate. We're going to go and give you some views of that also. So there's nothing hot on the buffet other than I think the biscuits and gravy you said. Everything else is going to be kind of fruits and fruits and pastries and things of that sort. So what it is, you can purchase the buffet and it's going to come with one of the entrees and you just pick and choose with your drink, coffee, tea, milk, whatever that may be, or juice. Now the juices you do have to pay extra for refills. You do not on the other drinks that are on it. And our server, Lee was his name, was spectacular with basically giving us that breakdown. He was phenomenal, he really was, so I shout out to Lee. So we are going to go and try the buffet, get some of those items. I'm going to give you some shots of that too. I ended up getting the traditional breakfast, and then Melinda, what did you end up getting? Caramel apple French toast. All of that looked really good, and there was also a dark chocolate waffle that I thought I was going to get, but I thought maybe there's so much sweet stuff up there that I would go with the traditional, and then we'll see how that goes, so come along. we have already went to the buffet, and I'll give you a shot of it in here. The cast members up there were great. Melinda actually dropped a muffin, and of course it just rolled over to the side, didn't fall anywhere. And the cast members saw her pick it up, and they were just basically let her know, hey, we can take that off your hands. You don't have to carry it to your table. You don't have to have that once because it hit the table. They were just so attentive up there. And we had one cast member that literally wanted to make sure everything looked good for us, and went through and kind of explained everything as we were going. So that was really wonderful. So we went from pastries to the sausage gravy and biscuits. That's the one thing I was really interested in, to see how that is. So we're going to and that is what I'm going to try first. Just the gravy. Kentucky boy, want to make sure that gravy tastes like sausage gravy. Good job. Yeah, I'll come. Melinda said she'll come back for breakfast every morning just for that. So, wow. I think Melinda's right. The biscuits and gravy is worth coming back for. Maybe one of the best biscuits and gravy we've had since we've moved to Florida. I can make a good biscuits and gravy, or good gravy. But, yeah, exceptional. So we're going to dig in a little bit more. So our main course has been served, or our actual breakfast. Wow, I'm going to show you this real quick. So Melinda's about to dig into her French toast, and I'm putting a picture of these in here now, but I'm going to turn this around real quick. So as you can see, the caramel apple French toast is loaded with apples in the middle. And of course my traditional, I got 2 eggs over easy, and I've got of course potatoes and toast and sausage. I am ready to dig in. We'll kind of let you know, but all I know is when the food came to our table, the aroma of our food actually came about 10 seconds before our waiter had actually put the food on the table. You could smell it. And that alone is, the anticipation was, for that 10 seconds, was pretty high. So we're going to dig in, and we'll let you know how this goes. We have finished our meal here at El Encompass, and wow, what a really, really good experience. Thanks, Alicia. We have literally enjoyed this from start to finish. And again, as you come in, the nautical theme is pretty cool, all right? And the colors of this establishment really kind of pop off to you. The dark and light grays combined, the light fixtures. As we go out, I will get a really good a shot of those. But this was a really good experience. First of all, Lee, our server from Miami, phenomenal. He was on top of everything and explained everything from top to bottom for us very quickly, very efficiently, of course, but very thoroughly. Buffet, and you also have a la carte menu. So you can literally purchase the buffet, which was $23 a head, and you also then, with that, you can select an entree that will break down as you'll see in the video. It was phenomenal, plenty of food, and also a great selection when you got to the buffet, which I've already put in here. Just a really good time from start to finish. If you come to El Encompass and you leave hungry, that is your own fault, because there's no reason to leave hungry here. From the a la carte entrees that you select from the buffet, and just an overall experience, we're going to give this a 10, just because it was fun, and the food was great. The service was out of this world. Again, our server Lee from Miami did a phenomenal job. It was great. He was also entertaining. He had some really great background stories and a breakdown of the facility. and how he even got here, which was great. He was wonderful. We're going to give you some more shots as we're leaving, but I think we left out before any discounts. It was about $50 for both of us. $47 basically, to break it down. And now you do have discounts here. You do have cast member discounts. You also have DVC and annual pass discounts, okay? Annual pass holders, that is. So there's many ways to save money when you come here, and to begin with, it's not that expensive anyway, so it's a plus from start to finish. So we look forward to the next time that we are actually going to stop by El Encompass, and we expect that you do the same, just because it was wonderful. We're going to give you some shots of and some sights and sounds, and we're going to go ahead and get out of here. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you around! Whoa!